In this episode I'm showing you the Max Fan Deluxe, how you mount it in your Sprinter van conversion. So follow up to stay tuned. So first of all I was taking some measurements. So I was trying to figure out where's the center. So don't get fooled by this one. The center in between those carrying beams or the construction beams is here. So it looks like a illusion, but it's not. So here's the center, and from there I use 20 centimeters to each direction, as the hole of the Max Fan should be 40 centimeters. So it's really important, and I'm going to show you why. So here you have a frame from the Max Fan, and you see this part here should be on the roof, and this obviously should be also inside the van. If I measure, it's until here to here, 440 centimeters, 40 centimeters totally. I thought first, why is it not possible only to go from here to here? But obviously it's not, otherwise the frame will be standing off your roof and it might be not good.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I can find. Instead of always being.
Okay, I just prepared 4 of those pieces. They are in 45 centimeters in the length, so that they can have an overlap like this, and then you can use some screws to fix them, and in between like this it should be 40 centimeters, so it should exactly fit to the Max Fan in the roof.
I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy.
Let's assume that everything is properly made and everything is correct. Now I'm going to start and drill some holes. So we have this hole saw. It's specific for metal, so it's really good. Maybe I don't dare to do it. It's such a nice roof, looking so good, and to destroy it with a big hole about 40 centimeters. Oh. Now I wonder why no one is doing it from beneath with a jigsaw. I will have it a try, a go, and we'll see if a decision is right or not. Stay tuned to find out.
Running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy.
Well, this has been really easy and fast. This is a really good thing to do. The only disadvantage is that you get everything into your face or on your body. But I think this is the way more better solution to do it. You can make your own opinion if you like. Write down in the comments. I would like to hear it. So now we just do the control measurements. And yeah, it's a little bit smaller. So I have to cut maybe more out. It's only on one side somehow. But this we can fix.
Is there some place for safety I could go? Run away into your escape. Run away, you never took.
As you see, the measurement is okay. It will fit. Here you see it's even a little bit a gap. But anyway, the roof is making some problems because of this for the frame. That's why I need the butyl tape. should be enough. Just leave it a little bit to dry before we continue. But we are gluing the frame into the roof. Use some clamps, and before we use some clamps we need to use the tape to build up some layers and press it down.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bow dip down, blow me bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go.
So now I built everything up with butyl tape, so we can glue the frame into place, and then we can use this one for the outside to make everything sealed.
He had not been 2 weeks from shore, and down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow.
This stays there for now, and then I can go up and glue it and seal it. I'm not sure if I fit in between, but it don't seem to work. Just trying to mask a nice line out here. It's a bit more difficult as I don't want to sit on the roof, but it's working out. Let's see how we will do this here. It's really important to mount the frame into the right position. The screws are to the side. I'm using the size of a 3, and you see here are marked holes. So I hope it will hit the frame, and after that I can remove the clamps.
For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. Well, both were lost, there were only 4, and still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Oh, now it's really cold. You have to open the fan with a knot here before you place it in place, and we will try and see what will happen. As you see, everything is sealed now.
The stars are free, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call, turn for the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Okay, let's test the fan. We have a battery, 12 voltage. I prepared some wires here. Just a simple connection, and then we can control it from here. Okay, let's see. It's opening. Yeah, the speed, I don't know. Maybe only with a remote control. Just close it up, wrap everything up for the next task. I hope you liked this episode and I could teach you some other ways how to mount the Max fan. It was slightly a little bit too small, the hole here, but it went out in the end. I had to push a little bit the unit into place with a flat screwdriver for the outside screws. And I did one big mistake. If you open the package with all the screws, you have 4 screws which you should sort out. I have 2 of them used in the frame, and there's a different screw type. So I'm missing 2 screws to fix the Max fan unit outside. So I have to see if I can get something locally, otherwise I have to order it from the internet. So, see you in the next one.